Yes. Namaste, children. You see that chapter 4 of that page number, I think chapter 4, that class 4. Okay. Yeah. When you divide a 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit number by 10, 100, 1000, how to divide? I will show you. Then afterwards, we will also discuss a 3-digit number divided by a 2-digit number. How to divide? Here you see there's some examples I have written here. I will explain you. Just watch this. Here 79 divided by 10. When you divide any number, it may be 2-digit number, it may be 3-digit number, it may be 4-digit, it may be 5-digit. Whenever you divide by 10, whenever you divide any number by 10, you will get the number which is in ones place, that is remainder. When you divide any number by 10, the number which is in ones place will be remainder. The numbers which are in 100 place, before 100 place, before 100 place, from 100 to 10th place, sorry, before 10th place, when you divided the number by 10, the number which is in ones place will be remainder. The rest of the numbers mean 10th place, 100 place, 1000 place, those numbers would be the quotient. I will explain you here. You see, here 79 divided by 10. In 79 divided by 10, in 79, what is the ones place digit here? 9. It will be the remainder. What is in tens place? 7. Is there any 100? No. Then in tens place digit is quotient. The ones place digit would be remainder. How it will be? You see, the 79 is called dividend. That is called dividend. 10 is called divisor. You write here 79. You draw two bars, two lines, both sides of the dividend. The left side you write the divisor. Then now you see, here what is the highest place here? Tens place. Now how many tens? 7 tens. 7 tens. It is that here 7 is bigger than 10? No. Then we go ahead. 8 place आगे बढ़ो. Then now it is 79. 79 is it bigger than 10? Yes. When it is bigger, you recite 10 table. You recite 10 table. 10 sevens are 70 minus 79 minus 70. 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 7, 0. Here no number is that. Then it is remainder. It is remainder. 9 is remainder. 7 is here quotient. Already I told you, when we divide any number by 10, the digit which is in ones place is remainder. You see, 9 is in ones place, it is remainder. The numbers which are left would be quotient. Here 7 is quotient. In this you see it is a 3-digit number. You write 126. You draw lines 10. Here 1 is less, you take 2 digits 12. 12 is bigger than 10. 10 table करो 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20. ये 20 से कम है, इधर 2 नहीं लेना है, 1 लेना है. 10 1s are 10 minus 2 minus 0 2, 1 minus 1 0. ये 2 छोटा है, छोटा और सब क्या करेंगे? ऊपर से डाउन करना है, 0 नहीं रखना है. Yesterday I told you put 0. When you put 0, ऊपर से नीचे लाने के बाद अगर छोटा है, but 2 here remainder. 2 माइनस करने से मिला, ऊपर से नहीं लाया, इसलिए 6 को लेके आओ. अभी कितना हो गया? 26. 26 10 से बड़ा है, 0 नहीं रखना है. 10 टेबल पढ़ो 26 मिलने तक. 10 2s are 20, 10 3 30, 30 बड़ा हो रहा है इसलिए 3 ले लेना है, इधर कितना लेना है 2, 10 2 20 minus 6 minus 0 6, 2 minus 2 0. Then 6 is here, remainder 12 is here. Here again you see, when we divide a 3-digit number by 10, the rule is what? Ones place digit is remainder. What is the ones place here? 6. Here you see 6 is remainder. The rest of the digits, ये ones place छोड़ के जो बाकी है, they will be the quotient. You see 12 is quotient. Understood? Here you see 2475. You draw lines, bars, left side, right divisor. Here you take 2 digits. 24, 10 2 20, minus करो 4 minus 0 4 0, फिर 7 को डाउन करो 10 4 40, minus 7 minus 0 7, ये 0, फिर इसको डाउन करो, फिर 10 7 70, minus 5, it is remainder, it is quotient. Here also check here, when we divide this 4-digit number by 10, what is the one place digit? 5. 5 is here, remainder. The rest of the digits, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place will be the quotient. You understood? Yes. When we divide a 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number by 100, 100 से डिवाइड करते समय में, 100 से डिवाइड करते समय में, the digits which are in ones place and tens place will be the remainders. Ones place, tens place पे जो digit है वो रिमाइंडर होगा, जो बाकी digits ones और tens place छोड़ के जो बाकी है they will be the quotient. Here 524. I am dividing. What is the highest place? 100 place. How many hundreds? 500. You take here. Then here how many hundreds? 100. 1 5s are 5. 100 into 5, 500. 100 5s are 500. Minus करो. 4 minus 0 4, 2 minus 0 2. What is here? 24. Is there any number left? No. It is 24 is remainder, 5 is quotient. Again you recall the rule. You recall here, when we divide a 3-digit number by 100, 3-digit number को 100 से divide करने से ones place, tens place में जो numbers है, one place, tens place में जो digit है, वो remainder हो गए, जो 100 place में जो digit है, वो quotient. Understood? Then here you see 4-digit number, 6780 by 100. Here we take 3 digits. जो 3 digits लेना है, ये 678 100 से बड़ा है. Okay? Then here how many 100? 600. 100 into 6. देखो 100 into 6 600. In this way you write 870. 78 छोटा है 100 से, इधर नंबर बचा है कि नहीं? बचा. इसको डबल करो. अभी कितना हो गया? 783. 783 100 से बड़ा है? यस. इधर कितना 100 है? 700. इधर कितना 100 है? 1 7 7 means 7 into 100. 7 into 100 700. Okay? Minus 3 minus 0 3, 8 minus 0 8. Here it is over. Here also it is remainder. It is quotient. यहाँ में देखो, when you divide any number by 100, ones place, tens place is remainder. One place और ten place में कितना 83 remainder आया है. जो बचा है 100 place से बाकी जो भी बचे ऊपर होगा वो quotient. Okay? Here also 4072 divided by 100. ऐसे. Then here first 4 लिया है, 400 से छोटा है, एक प्लेस आगे बढ़ो 40 भी छोटा है 100 से, और एक प्लेस आगे बढ़ो ये कितना हो गया 407। 407 100 से बड़ा है कि नहीं? यस। ये हाउ मेनी हंड्रेड्स नाउ? 400। 4 into 100 400। 4 into 100 400 minus 700। अब इधर एक नंबर बचा हुआ है, इसको समझ रहे हो ना? इसको लेकर के आने के बाद इसमें आपको इसमें देखिए यहाँ में यह वन मोर थिंग आई विल टेल यू, तुमको थोड़ा लंबा सा एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, छोटा होने से आपको क्लियर नहीं होगी। Here you see why dividing here. When you go to three places that we live here, 4 in this place you see this. What is this? 0. 4 is smaller than 100. एक प्लेस आगे बढ़ा है, एक प्लेस आगे बढ़ने के बाद 0 है। कितना है? 0। ओके, when it is 0 और एक प्लेस आगे 7। ये 7 इधर नहीं रखना, 7 नहीं रखेंगे, क्योंकि मैंने क्या कहा था, जब भी 100 से डिवाइड करोगे वंस प्लेस टेंस प्लेस रिमाइंडर होगा, जो 100 प्लेस से जो बचा है 100,000 वो विल बी क्वेश्चन। दैट्स व्हाट 100 into 4 400 minus 7 0 0, here it is 2, it is 2 is less than 100, 2 is less than 100। देखो रिमाइंडर जब छोटा हो जाते हैं, रिमाइंडर जब छोटा होने से ऊपर से डाउन करना है, ऊपर से डाउन करना है, आपको कहा था ऊपर से डाउन करने के बाद अगर छोटा होने से इधर 0 रखना है, ऑलरेडी 0 हो चुका है, ओके 0 रखना, then it is remainder, it is quotient। in this way you can do। here while dividing by 1000 से जब डिवाइड करोगे वंस प्लेस टेंस प्लेस 100 प्लेस, ये तीनों रिमाइंडर होगा। 10 से डिवाइड करने से वंस प्लेस रिमाइंडर होगा, 100 से डिवाइड करने से वंस टेंस रिमाइंडर्स होगा, 1000 से डिवाइड करने से वंस टेंस हंड्रेड्स रिमाइंडर होगा। then now you see 5076। here you take up to this 4 digits, okay, here now it is 5000, 1 into 5 5000, 6 7 0, it is remainder, it is quotient। here also when you divide it by 1000, the digit which is in 1000 places quotient, 1 into 8 8000, 4 3 7, it is remainder, it is quotient। here also 1 8, here you see that by dividing here 1807 1000 by this is here how many 1 into 1000 minus 708, it is remainder, it is quotient। understand? in this way while dividing a 2-digit number, while dividing a 3-digit number by 2-digit, here you see I will tell you how to divide 275 by 12। do you know 12 tables? If you do not know 12 tables, here first you say that is 1, 1 is less than 12, you take 27, here how many tens? 1 10, here how many tens? 2 tens, 10 twos are 20, 10 twos are 20, means 12 into 12 into 2, 2 से into करके देखो, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 24. Is it bigger than 27 or less? Less than. You write it here. 24 you write minus 7 minus 4, 3 0. You down this one. Now 35. Is it bigger than this one? Yes. Again, here 1 10, here how many 10? 3 10. 1 3 are 1 3 are 3. Means here 10, 1 10. 3 into 10, 30. 3 into 10, 30. 12 4. 3 से into करके देखो. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 36 is bigger than 35. अगर 3 times आप लेने से 36 आ रहा है, 2 times लेने से 24. But 36 it is what? 35. 35 से 36 बड़ा है. इसलिए don't take 3 as a quotient. You take 2 as a quotient. You write 24. 5 minus 4 1. 3 minus 2 1. Is there any number left? No number. It is remainder. It is quotient. In this way you can do. Here also you see 708 divided by 20. Here you take a 2-digit number because it is 2-digit number. How many tens? 2 tens. 2 table पढ़िए, ये number कौन सा है? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 25 को 3 से into कर देंगे. How much you have? 3 5s are 15. 1 3 2 6 plus 1 75. But what is this product? 70. 75 70 से बड़ा, इसलिए 3 times नहीं लेना है. 2 से 25 into 2. 25 2s are 50. 2 5s are 10. 0 1. 2 2s 4 plus 1 5 50. अब 2 times लेना है, 3 times नहीं लेना. 50 minus 10 0 minus 0 0. 7 minus 5 2. It's put down 8. How did I get it? Here 2 is in which place? 100 place. Okay. Here how many? 20 tens. Here 2 tens. 2 tens are 20. But 10 से into 9 इधर 25 को 10 से into करने से कितना होता है? 10 5 are 50. 5 10 to 20 25. ये ज़्यादा हो रहा है, इसलिए 25 10 से एक नंबर बैक 9 से 9 5 are 45. 4 carry 9 2 80 plus 4 22. 225. ये भी बड़ा हो रहा है. बड़ा हो रहा है कि नहीं? Then now you have to go back 8 से. Means in this way you have to guess here. Okay. In this way you have to guess. 25 8s are अब 80 हो जाएंगे. 25 8s which would be less than this. 8 5s are 44. 8 to 16 4 200. Means 8 times क्योंकि 200 इससे कम है. 8 0 0. It is remainder. It is quotient. In this way you have to do that. If you have any problem while solving the problems, you contact me. I will explain you again. Okay. Thank you.